No ko rin niya kimbabo?
Walking headboard.
Okay. Nampangal ka na.
Tapos kaya din yung storage yung kama. Ibuat ni yung kama. Din yung storage yung kilo.
Pangkaya talaga solo ne. Matutod na yung mangkiyaning kutang.
Wow. Pero yung kaya may gising yun. Lumipat sa akin.
Eh, yung mananakbag.
Where is it?
Who? Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
It's gone.
Sabi ko kaya Hajigs rin gamit na rin hapon. Ala, paano mo? Anong kagaling? Puro la burida. Storage.
Multi-purpose lang eh.
Wow, mahilig laking storage. Biro mo pati pidukanan sapatos. Sa atilang titinda, pwede mong ikabit harapan pong baba. Bahanteng space. Diyos ko. Sabi ko, grabe lang. Mahilig laking storage.
Where did you... you didn't find Mickey Mouse, Julian. It's gone.
I think it's in... let's see. Check yung baba.
Hala, Julian. Mickey Mouse is missing.
Okay, go check it out. I think...
Aro, may balandra.
Go check it out. Siguro, I think it's right there, Julian. It's on the couch. Right there. Maybe it's right there. Mangang kuya man eh.
Kaya, ikami man kaya ni may mangukukampi may nga lagnat.
Kasi, sobrang pal.
Nananuya.
Oh.
Aroy, mangukuyapin.
Parinig.
Loko, itang last yung chat. Di kayo rin Aro?
I don't know. No ka rin yung lamig.
Where did you... Po, tagalang linondria.
Right there. Right there. At the dining table. Right there.
Sorry. I told you.
I told you.
What I told you? You weren't looking... Ay, Diyos ko, inuman ito.
Masaya na rin ko. Okay, shirt to auntie. Shirt to auntie. Hold on.
Yes.
You found Mickey?
Yeah. Shirt to auntie. Tickles.
Aligam, sige ko na rin pakisabyan ng
Kasi
Mickey
ice.
Mouse. Tickle. Taksya po na, mami lemayapin na.
Mapinti yung pili mo.
Katsura naman ng lighting. Hii! Itak ni Dana. Pile maya. Gana, ano pa ni Jerson gagamitan na yung Mickey Mouse?
Julian, do you wanna play? Huh? Do you wanna play?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play.
Yes, mommy. Yes, Mickey.
Oh, Mickey. Yes, Mickey.
Okay.
Len, bisa.
Gasabihan mo palele. Kunwari, palele mo na laretang papalele mo, kunwari.
Na?
Di ba sabi mo nandin palele mo rin pialungan eh, no, buring ilele.